Do you suffer from chronic foot or leg pain? If so, you may have considered using a custom orthotic to give you some relief. I'm Houston Podiatrist Dr. Andrew Schneider. Orthotics are custom molded arch supports that help alleviate pain by helping to align the feet and body properly. They also help to reduce stress on certain parts of the body. In today's video, I'll discuss how often a custom orthotic needs to be replaced. Before I do, I wrote a book all about custom orthotics and I would like to send it to you free of charge. You can order it at www.orthoticbook.com. The link is in the description. Also, let others know about these videos. Please like, comment, hit the subscribe button, and share on social media. This will help others find this information. A custom orthotic is a worthwhile investment. A custom orthotic is a device designed to provide support and relief from chronic foot or leg pain. It is molded to the shape of your foot, providing an exact fit that helps to align the feet and body properly. This helps reduce stress on certain parts of the body such as the ankles, knees, hip, and lower back. Custom orthotics can also help improve balance and posture, as well as reduce fatigue in the feet and legs. Additionally, they can help prevent injuries by providing needed support for high-impact activities. With proper care and maintenance, custom orthotics can last for years and provide significant relief from chronic pain. Custom orthotics can also be an expensive investment. Depending on your insurance plan, they may be covered, but they also may be excluded. Before evaluating you for custom orthotics, we'll check coverage and let you know so you can make an informed decision. If you're not coming to our office for orthotics, you should ask for the same courtesy wherever you go. An orthotic needs to be replaced for two reasons. One is the orthotic breaking down. The part of the orthotic that provides the function is the hard shell. This is often made of a plastic or graphite material. Depending on how it's constructed, the material can fatigue and crack over time. With our current materials, however, this happens very infrequently, but it's certainly possible. If the orthotic has a soft top cover, this part is more likely to show wear. You may even see holes developing over time. This part of the orthotic device is able to be replaced and refurbished. It's not necessarily a reason to get a new orthotic. A new custom orthotic may be necessary due to changes in your foot mechanics and gait. Over time, the shape of your feet can change, as well as the way you walk or run. This can cause the orthotic to no longer fit properly, leading to discomfort and pain. Additionally, if you've had a major injury or surgery that affects your feet or legs, a new orthotic may be needed to provide the best support for your body. It's important to consult with your podiatrist regularly to ensure that your custom orthotics are providing the best support possible. I typically see my patients yearly to make sure the orthotic is providing the necessary support and correction. With regular activity, our feet go through natural changes. After all, they have to adapt and carry you through any situation. For instance, your feet will work differently if you're going for a run or going for a hike. These stresses cause natural changes in your gait and your mechanics. Because of this, I recommend being reevaluated for new custom orthotics every 3 to 5 years. I found that those who are more active will have to replace their orthotics more often. People with more sedentary lifestyles don't need to change their orthotic quite as often. A new custom orthotic will be necessary after a knee or hip replacement due to major changes in the body's alignment and gait. Replacing a major joint has a dramatic effect on your foot mechanics. These changes will often make the previous orthotics uncomfortable to wear, since they're no longer providing the support that's now needed. I generally recommend replacing your orthotics about 6 months after a knee or hip replacement. This gives you time to recover, rehabilitate, and settle into the new joint. I'll repeat the biomechanical exam and take new molds of your feet. This way, the new orthotic will be made for your current mechanics, not for the mechanics you had before surgery. Many people find having multiple pair of orthotics is helpful. For instance, It's helpful to have a pair of your orthotics designed for your athletic and running shoes, and you can have another pair of orthotics that are slimmed down for dress shoes. This is especially helpful for women when there's limited room in their dress shoes. If your insurance company covered your orthotics, find out how often they'll pay for new custom orthotics. Many will cover a new pair every year or two. If this is the case, take advantage of this benefit. In these cases, a new mold is not necessary each time. We can simply order the additional pair from the lab. No need for you to even come into the office until the orthotics arrive. Having multiple pair will allow you to maximize the time you're wearing your orthotics, which will only be beneficial. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Please take a moment to like, comment, and share on social media. Be sure to hit subscribe so you won't miss another video. Also, take a minute to order my free book all about custom orthotics. You can order it for free at www.orthoticbook.com. The link is in the description. If you've been wearing the same orthotics for a very long time, you should come in and get evaluated to make sure they're still serving you well. The link to request an appointment is also in the description. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.